you dread the thoughts of ironing? Are you one of those people that whenever it comes to ironing, you are squeezing your face and looking for who to throw that task to? Well, in this video, I'm going to be teaching you 6 ways you can prevent wrinkles on your clothes so that your ironing task is not as difficult as it seems. Because sometimes it is because of the way that we take care of our clothes that causes so much wrinkles that makes us spend longer time ironing than we should. So in this video, I'm going to be helping you to make ironing easy, and trust me, by the time you are done watching this, you would want to iron all the clothes in your closet. Stick with me, guys. Hello guys, my name is Constance Desiree. In this YouTube channel, I help you improve your fashion sense. I share personal development tips and lifestyle vlogs. And in today's video, we are going to be learning 6 ways on how to prevent wrinkles on your clothes. Yes, you heard me right. Before we dive into the content of this video, I would love to say a big thank you to all the subscribers of this channel. We are growing every second and I'm really grateful for that. Thank you for sticking around. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. I really appreciate this. And if you're a new subscriber, welcome to the channel that knows it all in fashion. So stick around, and of course always feel free to drop in the comments any tip you would like me to share concerning fashion or anything that bothers you basically, and I'll be in the comments to answer. So let's dive straight into business. So today we are going to be discussing the 6 ways on how to prevent wrinkles on your clothes. Number 1, dry your clothes properly. Yes, a lot of times people struggle with wrinkles because they don't wash and dry properly. If you look at the screen, you see a picture of a wrong way of drying your clothes when you finish washing, and you see a right way of drying your clothes. So if you have been drying your clothes the wrong way, then the right way is here for you. And when you are done washing, when you squeeze your clothes, don't squeeze and just hang. Try to shake off the wrinkles after squeezing and then hang it correctly using the right method as shown in this picture. Okay. Number 2, store clothes properly. Yes, some of you get to put all your clothes into one bag and it becomes so full that you're even stuffing the clothes into each other. When you do that, your clothes is overcrowded and then it causes it to wrinkle. Even if you've washed and hanged it properly, it's going to still wrinkle because you didn't do the right thing. So if your clothes are overcrowded in your bag, that is another reason why you always have wrinkled clothes that you need to iron for longer times whenever you want to wear them. So you can declutter your wardrobe. I have a video which I will tag here for you where I talked about how to declutter your wardrobe, how to edit your wardrobe. So that watch that video if you haven't watched it so that you can know how to do this easily. So you need to make sure you store your clothes properly. Don't overcrowd them in a particular box or particular space, because that is the reason, another reason why your clothes have lots of wrinkles when you want to wear them and you're all confused on how to go about it. Number 3, hang clothes properly. Yes, this is similar to the second point but a little bit different. So when it comes to hanging clothes properly, you have to make sure that lightweight clothes are not folded but hang. Let's say all those your chiffon tops, all those lightweight fabrics, instead of folding them and putting in your bag, it's best to get a hanger and hang them so they stay wrinkle free, better for you than when you do the other way. Also, for those of you that have a habit of coming back from work and just throwing your clothes on the bed, throwing your clothes on the chair, that's the reason why your clothes is wrinkling. So instead of just throwing them, hang them properly for them to maybe come out the sweat you just sweated on it, instead of just flinging them anyhow. It's going to cause wrinkles, a lot of wrinkles for you to iron hard when next you have to iron. Point number 4 is use fabric softeners. Yes, fabric softeners are one of the easiest ways to remove wrinkles, and you use this while washing. While you're doing your laundry, you add fabric softener to your detergent while washing, and then at the end of the day, you have less wrinkled clothes, and even if you decide to still iron them, you won't spend so much time having to iron. Point number 5, get a wrinkle releaser spray, or you can make one. To make one, you need 2 cups of water, 1 teaspoon of hair conditioner, and 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. When you mix this together, you already have your wrinkle releaser spray. So if you can't buy one, use this method I just mentioned to make one. Easy peasy. Yes, and then point number 6, yeah, the last but by no means the least, wear dresses that are appropriate for your size. If you are wearing clothes that are too tight, they would easily wrinkle when you remove them, because of course they have tried to expand beyond their reach, and so you know what happens when something expands beyond how it should expand, it definitely would wrinkle. And then if you're wearing clothes that are too big, because they are too bogus, they tend to wrinkle as well. I'll also be dropping some ironing and travel tips here. If you love to travel, or you're arranging your bag, even if you're not traveling, but basically if you're traveling and you're arranging your bag, instead of doing the regular method of folding your clothes in your bag, it is advisable to roll your clothes. Yeah, you heard me right. So instead of folding, you know how you fold into four or whatever, you roll, like you know how you roll something, so you roll the clothes over. That way they get to stay wrinkle free through your journey, and once you get to your destination, you have to remove them and hang them, in case you're going to a place where you don't want to stress yourself to iron, or maybe like in Nigeria, maybe there'll be no lights in that area, you need to look, penking. And then another tip is, when you iron, do not wear your clothes immediately. Yeah, if you wear your clothes immediately, there's a tendency that it would wrinkle, so you have to allow what you have ironed to set in. So leave it for like 5 minutes after ironing before you wear. That's why for people that don't plan their outfits a day before, you can make sure you iron before you take your bath, so that the period you're taking your bath and be enough time for the ironing to set in. So guys, these are the 6 tips on how to prevent wrinkles on your clothes and make ironing a lot easier. So tell me in the comment section, which tip was your most favorite, and is there any other tip that you've been using to remove wrinkles that's worked for you? Please share with us in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in my next video.